Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Looker Studio with Google Analytics credentials. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio in your web browser. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your Google Analytics account. If prompted, select the account you want to use and allow any necessary permissions. Once logged in, click on the Create button located at the top left of the dashboard. Select Report from the drop-down menu to start a new report. In the report setup, you will see an option to add a data source. Click on Add a data source to open the data connectors list. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Google Analytics. Click on the Google Analytics connector to select it. You will be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Analytics data. Select the Google Analytics account and property you wish to link. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. Once connected, choose the specific view you want to use from your Google Analytics Click Connect to establish the link between Looker Studio and Google Analytics. After connecting, you can customize the data fields to fit your report needs. Click Add to Report to finalize the data source integration. Your Google Analytics data is now authorized and available for use in Looker Studio. You can begin creating visualizations and insights with your connected data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.